Melton Truck Lines, we're a nationwide flatbed hauler with 1,500 trucks. As CIO, my objective is to keep systems running here 100% of the time. Our drivers are on the road 24/7, 365, so it's imperative that we keep systems running across the board. So here at the headquarters, it's vital that we keep technology working. My team has an ultra important job of making sure that everything's working perfectly to keep our trucks moving efficiently and keep our customers happy. A lot of the office technology we have here across the board, not only in the atrium here where we have this nice SNA video wall display along with a sound system that Ford AV put in with us. It's as simple to work as pushing a button. We also have high-tech conference rooms that will allow us to do video and audio conferences with our other facilities that makes it easy to communicate with those people you don't see every day.